Okay, so go automatic one. So this is the question of your trial. Okay, so actually this is not the compulsory experiment in Form 4 or Form 5 syllabus this one. Okay, but it's indirectly we measure the rate change of temperature. Actually, the experiment here just ask you to define the rate change of temperature. Okay, so you are not allowed to work with the apparatus in the first 5 minutes. Okay, so here Bunsen burner, thermometer, beaker, wire gauze, tripod stand, and grass rod. Okay, so here stopwatch, lighter, air barrier, 500 ml water. Then retort stand. I think not all the material is used Okay, so here example air barrier is given. Okay, so you also no problem Okay, so here actually you see the question given you the M's already here. You are going to carry out an experiment to investigate. Okay, so normally question will given you this to investigate the relationship between time heating T and temperature increases. Okay, ask you to find T and temperature increases Okay, so that means temperature increases, you need to find initial temperature So you set down apparatus like this Okay, then measure 250 ml of water. So the temperature initial you need to record it. Okay, then here the initial temperature recorded one marks. Okay, so here the thermometer smallest sensitivity 1 degree Celsius, right? So you can maximum up to 1 decimal place only Then the second place here is only 0 or 5. The second decimal place can 0 and 5 only. And 0 or 5, you give others value will be wrong because the thermometer sensitivity is 1 degree Celsius. Thermometer, laboratory thermometer, so you have to follow sensitivity. Okay, you can see here, the smaller division will be 1, right? 0, 1 segment will be 1, 2. So that means if let's say you get your reading at the middle. At the middle, you can choose 0 or 1. Okay? So you can give your decimal place, non-decimal place, for example, you get 31 degree Celsius, 32, 33, like this. If you want to give 2 decimal places, the second place will be only 0 or 5. You give others will be wrong already. Here, this one, you all understand, right, what it means? So this will be look at the decimal place. If I say 1, 0, and 5 only, if you give 31.2, wrong Okay, then the next here, light up the Bunsen burner using medium flame, using complete combustion. So heat the water and record the final temperature. That's the one. So after 1 minute, okay, so you heat after 1 minute, you have to take your reading. After that, second, third, fourth, and fifth, then you have to get your reading also Okay, so based on the experiment, okay, so here, manipulated variable. So here will be the time given at here already. Time heating here giving you already. So temperature increases will be responding variable we want to get. Also, actually, it's very easy this question actually. So heating time. Then this will be temperature increases. Temperature increases. Okay, then hypothesis must be increase, or you want to give direct proportional also can. Longer, higher also can. Okay, so the longer Okay, so here the longer the time the heating time the more the increase in temperature. The more the increase in temperature increases. Okay, so the responding is temperature increases. The more the increase in temperature increases will be this. So this will be RV, this will be MV. Okay, so we want mark. Okay, so here calculate the increase of the water temperature by using this equation. Okay, then you have to tabulate your data 1. Then this will be data you need to calculate, and then T. So here you have 3 variables need to give in your table. 2 marks only tabulation. Okay, but you want to get full marks, as I mentioned to you. Okay, so today I forget to bring my pen pad, so I just draw like this. Okay, so here first you have to give time T/minutes. Symbol unit. Okay, and here you have to give data 1. Data 1. Then you have to give unit /degree Celsius. Okay, then here data changes of data. Okay, so also degree Celsius. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 because the question give you already this one. Only to get 5. Okay, so here you should get increases temperature. For example, after 1 minute. Okay, just now 1. Okay, so example, room temperature normally high one 28 example so here after 1 minute, example 31 degrees Celsius. Then after that 38 example you get. Then example you get 44 Then here will be 52, 58 example example only. You supposed to be get increases because when we give heat, temperature should be increases It's impossible drop right? Okay, so here just someone we get initial give example just now, right? So 28, so be 21 minus 28. So you'll get how many 3. Be 3, right? Actually you just need to show 3 enough already. You give 3 enough already. If I say you give 1 decimal place, all must consistency 1 decimal place. Okay, so here actually you don't need to give decimal place also can. Okay, then the next here 38 minus 28 10. Okay, then 44 minus, I just simply give the data 44 minus 28 16. Okay, then 52 minus 28 24. Then 58 minus 28, 30. This is just a reference answer, 30. Okay, so you must show increases lah. Okay, so you got unit, symbol, then this is considered your primary reading. With consistent decimal place, here no more for me. If I say you want to give, as I mentioned, you only can give 0 and 5 only. 31.5, 31.0. And after calculation, you get this. This is secondary. So all of this correct, you get 2 marks. Okay, then here you have to plot the graph. Okay, so example I use, okay, open another graph paper lah. Okay, example this lah. Okay, so you have to draw by using ruler lah. Okay, so here label lah. Here will be, okay, so question asks to draw delta data against T. Okay, so delta data against T. Again, you have to give symbol, then unit for both lah. T per minute. Okay, so symbol and unit, then you have to choose appropriate scale. Okay, so here 3 until 30, you can give 5 for 1 unit equal to 5. 5, 10, you say you give 5, it will be half graph minimum. 2 not enough. Okay, so here 1 minute, 2 minute, 3, 4, 5. Minimum 5 times 4 lah. Minimum lah. So here, I say I draw until here also, no problem lah. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. My reading highest 30 lah. So it's more than 5 times 4 already. So here will be 30. Minimum here will be 5 or 4. Here must be 4 or 5 minimum. Okay, so I achieved minimum already. Okay, then we plot the graph. Okay, so here 3, 10, 16. Three will be at box number 6. These are 10, 16, 'kay, then 24, 30, 24 here lor, 30. Okay, so you see here very clear. We will get straight line passing origin using ruler to draw. Okay, I cannot using ruler. So when you draw, as I mentioned to you, straight line. Okay, example, right now I have 2 dots and down below the line, 1 above the line, 2 minus 1, we get 1, right? So this one considered straight line. Next line. Okay, so this will be you'll get 3 marks. So make sure you give unit, a symbol, unit, then skill, graph more than 5 times 4. Okay, so here the next question, relationship between delta, theta, and t. So you can see the graph will be straight line passing through origin. So here will be direct proportional. You can give direct proportional or increase also can. Okay, so direct proportional. So delta t delta theta is direct proportional. Proportional to t. Okay, 1 mark. Or you have to put delta theta increases, comma, t increases also can. 1 mark. Okay, then the question asking you to calculate delta theta against t. Okay, so here, how many marks? 2 marks. Okay, so you have to show triangle. Draw triangle. Example, I'm using this whole one. Okay, my point will be this point and origin. Okay, so I'm using 30 divide 5 lah. So calculation. Okay, so here, first mark will be given for triangle. You're showing this triangle. 1 mark. You don't show no mark for this. Okay, then next will be the gradients k equal to, okay, my 1, 5, 30 minus 0 over 5 minus 0. So here will be 30 minus 0. Here will be 5 minus 0. So you get 6. Degree Celsius or 1 per minute. Okay, can delta t over minute. Okay, so this will be 2 marks. First mark, triangle. Second mark will be answer in correct unit. This. Okay, then precaution, give method plus reason. So this one you read the scale of the meter. So your eyes must be perpendicular. So eyes must be perpendicular to the scale of reading to avoid parallax error. Okay, so here already, method plus reason. Okay. Okay, then. Okay, so here a boy buy factory like bananas, filters. After 5 minutes, he found that the inside banana was hotter than the crush. So here we're using concept of specific capacity actually. Okay, because the banana inside the specific capacity is higher. Okay, so can keep more longer time. Okay, so here, as I mentioned, the specific capacity, the inside is actually liquid, right? Is higher than the outer parts. Okay, so 1 marks the specific heat capacity of, here is banana, filling inside You're using banana filling. So it's softer lah inside. Okay, greater than the crust lah. Here you can use just using banana inside also can. Specific capacity of banana inside is greater than the crust. This will be the reason now. So the banana contents, or you can using banana contents also can lah. Banana content inside now is slow to release heat. So the outer parts will be faster release heat. The more important is you know the skill. You know the skill, you can solve every question. Like tabulation, graph, right? So actually the reading you get should be increases, right? Suppose no drop lah. If drop is definitely you out already the experiment.